What we're going to do right now is we're going to highlight our rocks. And the girls did a great job on sculpting the rocks and putting the base coat on it. But what I want you to do first is we're going to stand back and we just have a regular squirt bottle with water in it.
Ooh, now I can do that.
See, you can do that. See that? We call it the bachelor man's iron. And what you're going to do
So
is
you want a little damp before you start?
a little damp, exactly, so it doesn't dry as quick as we want it to. So we're just going to kind of mist it down. We have our darker color that we chose for it.
And you made this the ice cream soup.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly, same thing. And I just want you to kind of blot it here and there, you know, in the deep crevices and stuff, just here and there. We don't want to cover the whole thing. And then what you want to do is you want to come back with a paper towel and your squirt bottle again, and just mist it one more time. And then what we do is we go in there and we just start blotting.
You dab it so that it
Exactly.
really looks like shadows and
Exactly,
gives a
in your
really
rocks.
neat form to the rock.
But the key here is don't try to spray it very, very heavily because then it'll start running. You just want to stand back and just give it a
Mist it.
little mist, that's all. And that's it. And then we have our rocks.
Now that's wacky!